Cheers from Ed at Antique Toys. We have a Radiguet Steam boat. We have a Radiguet Steam boat. It is a boat from France circa 1910 or so. These are brass cannons on the side, and the cannons actually can have powder in them and fire. Here's the large main one. It's in about 2-3 inches. Boiler is brass. Beautiful, beautiful toy. I think the length on it has got to be closer to 38-40. It's got the ram's prow, or this right here, and a good looking, difficult to tell, but cherub up front. And I'll try to turn it just a little. Nice masthead, figurehead. Here's a better look at that figurehead. Little detail on this. It pivots, raises just a little. Here's the next one. This just doesn't seem to pivot much. It raises and lowers. Then you're going to see wood decking, brass fixtures. So one may ask, why do I have this in my shop? Well, it's going to be for the premiere auction. The next one coming up, probably around May or so. Details to be determined. In the meantime, you can enjoy the preview with the brass railings, the brass fence, brass cannons, good looking railing details. Even the crow's nest appears to form a cannon on it, which is pretty cool. And I'll just shoot the deck down. So again, enjoy the preview. Cheers from Ed at Antique Toys. Please keep us in mind if you have a ship, car, truck, high-end toy, complete toy, beautiful antique toy. We have auctions coming, and we would love your consignment. And if you're a boat lover, you may just get a kick out of the scale and enjoy the toy for what it is. It's a Radiguet ship. Hope you enjoy it. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Take care.